Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. Please do not mind my daughter. She feel like I need my edges done just to do a video. I told her I always come on here as I am, but as you can see, she's very persistent. So I have a template preview for you guys, one that I came up with. I did this for my son's birthday. His birthday is this weekend. He loves dinosaurs. It's dinosaur themed, so I came up with a template for the Mike and Ike, and this is what I came up with. That's what it looks like. This was the first one that I came up with, but if you see it, it's not like really edge to edge. So I redid it, and this is what it looks like. It's edge to edge. I used clear shipping tape to get that glossy look, but I printed this out on regular printing paper, nothing special. And then I used double-sided sticky tape to actually apply it onto the Mike and Ike's box. But you guys can use clear shipping tape as well to tape it to the box, glue sticks, your sticker machine, whatever works for you, you guys can use. As you guys know, the measurements for this will be on my Patreon page. Now you're not doing bad. You're doing pretty good. So yes, if you have any questions about this little label right here, let me know, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.